The throttle body is a crucial mechanical element present in fuel-injected vehicles, responsible for managing and controlling the airflow into the engine. When the throttle body is in good condition, it ensures the engine receives an optimal air-fuel ratio, resulting in peak performance. On the contrary, if the throttle body is damaged, it can lead to an imperfect air-fuel mixture, causing the combustion process to malfunction. Here are the most frequently observed signs and symptoms of a problematic throttle body. 1. Rough idling. If you observe erratic fluctuations in your car's engine idle and unusual noises, it could be attributed to a throttle body that is either dirty or damaged. The engine is particularly sensitive during idle, making symptoms of a dirty or malfunctioning throttle body more noticeable in this state. 2. Rough acceleration. The throttle body is responsible for controlling the air-fuel mixture entering the engine. Therefore, a defective throttle body can disrupt this mixture, leading to issues during acceleration. If you observe inconsistent acceleration in your car, with variations between fast and slow speeds, it could indicate a malfunctioning throttle body. 3. High RPM idle. The throttle body is responsible for maintaining a steady RPM, revolutions per minute, during the engine's idle. If there is an issue with the throttle body, it can lead to an excessively high RPM. An uncalibrated throttle body can also be a cause of this issue. You can use most diagnostic scanners to calibrate the throttle body. 4. Stalling idle. The throttle body can also impact the RPM in the opposite direction, causing it to be so low during idle that the engine shuts off. This often occurs when there is an accumulation of soot and dirt on the throttle body flap, reducing the amount of air entering the engine and resulting in a low idle RPM. Typically, addressing this issue involves cleaning the throttle body and performing a calibration using a diagnostic tool. 5. Poor engine performance. For optimal performance, the engine relies on a sufficient supply of both air and fuel. When a damaged throttle body hinders the proper intake of air, it negatively affects the engine, resulting in a decrease in performance for the driver. If you sense a significant loss of power during acceleration, it could indeed be attributed to a faulty throttle body. 6. Changed fuel consumption. As you're aware, a malfunctioning throttle body can result in an abnormal fuel mixture. This can manifest in your fuel consumption, leading to more frequent or infrequent refueling. While refueling less often may seem beneficial, your engine may not appreciate it in the long run. 7. Engine misfires. Misfires can occur due to an imbalanced air-fuel mixture or a weak spark from the spark plug, resulting in incomplete combustion within the combustion chamber. A malfunctioning throttle body can disrupt the air-fuel mixture and contribute to engine misfires. These misfires are noticeable as small irregularities such as a bump or choke when revving the engine. 8. Check engine light. The throttle body contains angle sensors and other embedded sensors. When the car's onboard computer identifies an issue with the throttle body signal, it triggers the illumination of the check engine light. 9. Grime buildup. Accumulation of dirt and grime, referred to as coking, can occur inside the housing, leading to a disturbance in the flow of air and fuel. The presence of an uneven surface caused by this buildup interrupts the smooth flow of the delicate air-fuel mixture. In a similar fashion, carbon deposits can create irregularities within the throttle body walls, impacting the atomization of the air-fuel mixture. Click on this video right here on how to clean the throttle body. And as always, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to support the channel. Thanks, I'll see you next time.